What's up, guys? So I got a front and rear strut tower brace on my car, and I just wanted to let you guys know if they work or not. I've got the answer for you, and the answer is yes. That's the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Make sure to check my other videos out too. I've got a lot of them. If you're looking to get some good info, I've got a bunch of videos. I'm gonna put a link here. But anyways, thanks. Seriously, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know what I've got, so let's get to the video. But if you haven't checked out my other videos yet, make sure to do that. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link to them anyways, so you guys can check those out if you want. If not, and you can go ahead, feel free to like them or dislike them if you like them or hate them. I am gonna be uploading either way. So here's the video, let's get to it. Alright, so my full setup, let's go ahead and go over that real quick. So going to the front, I've got the Petty's Garage front strut tower brace. Mine is powder coated in red, and yeah, so that's what I got in the front, but I also got one in the back, so let's go ahead and see what I got in the back real quick. Alright, so the back, I got a Speed Logics brace back here. So mine's a two bar brace back here. Also got a little bit of Adams polishes. That stuff is works pretty good, and it tastes great also, but seriously, don't try drinking it. So anyways, that's my setup, so let's go ahead and let you know what I think of it. Alright, so do I think that they are worth it? Let's see if I can zoom out. Yeah, I can. Do I think that strut tower braces are worth it? Yes, I do, because they are super cheap and they work. So yeah, I think they're worth it. I think they work better if you got your car lowered. So I noticed a big difference on my old Charger when I put it on. If you put a strut tower brace on after you lower it, it almost makes it have like less rebound to it, which is when the shock is actually bouncing back out. So you have your bump or compression, and then your rebound. So compression is when your shock, when you hit a bump and it goes down, rebounds when it goes up. So when you put springs on it, it makes the ride a little bumpier. I thought the strut tower brace helped out a lot with that, and it made it less. So I thought for sure, I was like, man, this strut tower brace is making a difference. I didn't expect it. But yeah, after you put it on, it takes like 5 minutes to put on. A lot of times you gotta like push them into place and force them into place, but that's just how it is. After a while, I was like, man, this thing handles good too. It feels tighter, and you'll really notice a difference after you drive a car just like yours that's stock and it doesn't have one. And then you really notice it's almost like an anti-roll bar, but for the top of the engine bay, basically. So it's like a cheap anti-roll bar. Obviously, if you put an anti-roll bar in it, it's gonna work better than a strut tower brace. But for what you're paying and for what you're getting out of it for an install like that, it's definitely worth it. There's no doubt in my mind it's worth it. Now the back one, you know, you can't feel as much of a difference back there, but it you know, it works. It tightens everything up again. And then in the back of my mind, I'm like, yep, my car is better than a stock car. So yeah, I'm gonna do it every time. Definitely go ahead and do it. I think if you got the money for it, it's definitely cooler than having a factory one. So yeah, my ride is stiffer, it's firmer, my steering's tighter, my handling's better. So would I do it again? Yeah, of course. For 180 bucks, 200 bucks, whatever I spent for the front one, yeah, I'd do it. But I mean, the back one was more expensive. That was a pain in the butt to install too, but yeah, I'd do it again. It was awesome. It was awesome. And it's, like I said, I feel better than every other Scat pack on the road just from having that. So yeah, I'd do it again. But yeah, install is just a matter of unscrewing a couple things and screwing them back on and putting it in place. It takes 5 minutes. So I would say definitely do it if you haven't done it. It's definitely worth it. And also, guys, hey, if you haven't seen my other videos, make sure to check them out, especially if you got a Charger, Challenger. Just see what I've done to it and see how I react to it and see how I like everything and see if it's worth your money of doing it. So I'm going to put the link right here or right here, whichever one I feel is better, and just check it out. Subscribe if you want to see more. I plan on making some more videos, and I want to be a big help. And if you have any suggestions, if you want to see something, just let me know. But go ahead, subscribe it, like it if you like it. Like I said, dislike it if you don't. I don't care. So, but yeah, I'm going to be making some more stuff. Come back for more, subscribe, and yeah, whatever you want to see, let me know, and I'll do my best to make it happen. So thanks for watching, and I'll be coming back with you next week, probably, hopefully sooner. See you next time. Bye. Hey, I also wanted to show you guys, don't mind me because I'm sweaty, that's not what I was going to show you, but I wanted to show you my G-forces and what I've pulled in this car so far. Obviously, I think you can cheat and you can go ahead and like basically do donuts and have your G-forces off the charts, but I haven't done that. Even though I have different tires on the front and the back, I haven't done that. So anyways, here is my G-forces that I've got. And yeah, this is without spinning out or anything. So yeah, haven't wrecked my car yet, but this is my G-forces. I think that's pretty good for a car that weighs like 4,400 pounds. So I mean, that's pretty stout, pretty stout. Alright, so thanks again guys. I'm going to be making some more stuff, hopefully ASAP, but like I said, hit that like button for me please. I would really appreciate it, and I'm going to keep making some stuff. So I will see you guys later. Thanks again. See ya.